How to look sexy. Have you experienced a feeling of denial when you found out that those guys were not talking about you, but your sexy friend? Every woman been through it before. Those they are love if you ready to revamp your style and turn very on it. No matter what your hair color, skin color, eye color, or body type, you too can become sexy today. Decide what kind of sexy you want to be. There are two kind of sexy, there's traditional Jessica Rabbit sexy and the kind of sexy that modern to earth. Be conforming to an orthote, you'll be attracting people that are looking for different things. Use it to your advantage, to help you get what you're looking for. Traditional sexy when you're trying to attract more temporary partner. Because a lot of traditional sexy about putting on a show, which don't play your natural personality and looks, sending a message that you don't really care if someone like you for who you really are. The more natural sexy play up your inner personality and looks. Tell someone that you want to be too tough a sexy for who you really are, usually leading to someone who's looking for something more long term. Kind of sexy tend to know get you very far when you're young, since often people are looking for their future spouses, but it can be crucial to attracting good, stable people when you're an adult. Act confident. Confidence is one beyond most sexy quality. Even people who don't have much to offer in the looks department can still manage to come across as sexy if they balance confidence with the attractive quality, like personality, charme, and humor. Act confident by working on your self-esteem, standing up straight, speaking up for yourself, and starting conversation with people you don't know. Keep it natural. Wilt 80s might have been a la boupiline on te dit, make-up, and shoulder pad, Tuesday sexy about looking good in your natural state. Make-up should be subdued and look close to your natural coloring as possible. Some tend to go for your cloth, skinny jean or leggings, which show off the natural curve of your leg, are preferred over flare-legged pants. Play up your best feature when you can, to really show off the natural body. For example, if your best feature is your eye, don't hide them behind glass. Take care of yourself. Practice good hygiene by bathing regularly, brushing your teeth, and wearing clean clothes. You should also exercise and eat appropriate to get a stronger, healthy body. Doing like only make your body more appealing to others, but it shows that you think you're worth loving and taking care of, indicating a vital self-respect. If you need help with exercise, cite article. If you need help eating healthy, cite article. Smell amazing. Smell play a big role in sex appeal, but you might not be taking a good approach you think you are. Contrary to acts you would have you believe, your best bet is a natural smell, no a clue of body spray. But regularly to could not both a scarpe people often use a subtle but pleasant odorant to keep the smell from returning. Pair with a subtle cologne or perfume, citrus it most universally liked, if you really want to, but you should be letting your natural pheromone do most of the work. Practice good dental hygiene. Include brushing, flossing and even mouthwash. Clean your tongue with a tongue cleaner a spoon every morning for fresh breath. Get a check-up have your teeth clean often. Get a haircut. A haircut can make a world of difference in how everyone sees you. Generally, you want a sleeker look to appear more sexy, but natural curler also in right now. Experiment on your own or consult with a hairstylist to find a hairstyle that looks sexy and play up your best feature. Go for a mature look. You want to project a adult look in order to come across as sexy. Cute looks or you want looks will light overtly or subtly turn most people off. Update your wardrobe to look more adult, no slutty, just skip out on cartoon tee en lassie dress. You'll also want to take a fait tes mesures, depending on your gender. O omen, virklot tâche au your curve. You want to look like you've got en a list a little breast. Jet anis plus chubra en virting like skinny jean to show off your leg. You'll also want to viril to correct your posture and lift your butt. Men, trad intos ratty jean for some slack and a t-shirt for a button up. Your local thrift store should have plenty of cheap options if you don't have the money for new stuff. Are also important. Have a list of any pair. Dress to attract the kind of person you're looking for. Different people are looking for different kind of partner, and there are specific way you can dress to attract those different kind of people. People are often attracted to the quality priorities in the so be dressing a particular way. You'll send a clear message about why you like and what kind of person you want to date. For example, if you're looking for a sporty person, wear your hair in a ponytail or sport occasional looking nude fit or football jersey. If you're looking for a bit of a geek, wear some Marvel merch or your favorite body. If you're looking for someone who's very driven, tant varnissé, dressier clotte. Don't sway your size. What your worry about stuffing a bra or about making your crotch look a little more full, don't. Media play petit data o women angry with big crotch angry o women with big breast, but actual spectrum of preference pretty equally run gamu. Low of guy like small breast en low of women look a big crotch yuk, en juste teint couche.